A random variable capital X is uniformly distributed on -1, 15. Determine the following. CDF of x, f of x. That is, CDF means cumulative distribution function. Next, P of x less than 5 given x greater than 0. P of modulus x minus 1 less than 5. The last one, E of e power minus x by 5. So this is we want to find out. So here given x is uniformly distributed on -5, 15. So we know that the uniform distribution is f of x is equal to 1 by b minus a less than x less than b, 0 otherwise. So this is the formula. So here in the uniform distribution you take it as this a is -5, b is 15. So a minus 5, b 15. Substitute here. So f of x is equal to 1 by b minus a. What is b minus a? You see here a is -5 and b is 15. So b minus 5, b minus a is 15 minus of minus plus 5 is 20. So that 1 by b minus a is 20. Comma, a is -5 less than x less than 15 and 0 otherwise. So this is f of x. Okay, so this is f of x. So from this f of x I want to find out CDF and all other things. Okay, next first I am going to find out CDF, cumulative distribution function. CDF, cumulative distribution function, that is capital F of x. I want to find out. Okay, so the formula for capital F of x is f of x is equal to integral minus infinity to x f of x dx. So this is the formula, but here the range starts from -5. So that integral -5 to -5 to x f of x. What is f of x? 1 by 20 into dx. Okay, so here next 1 by 20 can take outside. Integration of dx is x. So that take 1 by 20 outside. Integration of dx is x. The limit is -5 to x. So that 1 by 20 into, substitute upper limit x minus of minus plus 5. So that finally capital F of x is equal to x plus 5 by 20. So this is cumulative distributive function, capital F of x. Okay, so next I am going to find out second one, P of x less than 5 given x greater than 0. Okay, so this is P of x less than 5 given x greater than 0. So this is I am going to find by using the formula. The formula is P of a given b is equal to P of a intersection b divided by P of b. So by I am going to use this formula provided P of b is not equal to 0. So this is the formula I am going to use. P of a given b is P of a intersection b by P of b. Second value will come in the denominator. So I am going to use the formula. Consider the entire term is a, this is b. P of a given b. What is P of a given b? P of a intersection b divided by P of b. So this is the formula. So now I am going to find out the numerator value. So to find the numerator, it is a intersection of these two range. So I am going to draw the line. Here consider x equal to 0 may be here, x equal to 5 is here. This is infinity, so this is minus infinity. Okay, so in this range, the first one is x is less than 5. What is the meaning of x is less than 5? Less than 5 means cover entire region. X is less than 5. It covers entire region. Okay, what is the next one? X is greater than 0. What is the meaning of x is greater than 0? Greater than 0 means above 0. So greater than 0, it covers entire region. Okay, now I want to find out intersection of these two range. What is the intersection of these two range? It covers 0 to 5. So the common portion is 0 to 5. So that intersection of these two is 0 to 5. So P of 0 less than x less than 5 divided by P of x greater than 0. So to find the given value, I want to find out this numerator and denominator separately. So first I am going to find out the numerator value. P of 0 less than x less than 5. So what is the formula? Integral 0 to 5 f of x dx. So integral 0 to 5 f of x. What is f of x? F of x is 1 by 20. So that 1 by 20 into dx. Take 1 by 20 outside. Integration of dx is x. Limit 0 to 5. Substituting the limit 5 minus 0, 5. So that 5 by 20. So the final answer is 1 by 4. So this is the numerator value. Next I am going to find out the denominator value. So next I am going to find out the denominator. P of x greater than 0. So it is integral greater than 0 means 0 to end with what? End with 15. So that greater than 0 means 0 to 15 f of x dx. So that integral 0 to 15 f of x is 1 by 20. So that 1 by 20 into dx. So take 1 by 20 outside. 1 by 20 into integration of dx is x. The limit is 0 to 15. So that 1 by 20 into upper limit minus lower limit. 15 minus 0 is 15. So cancel this. 3 5s are 15. 4 5s are 20. So this is the denominator value. So substituting in 1. So what that? In substituting in 1, our required value P of x is less than 5 given x greater than 0 is equal to numerator value and denominator value. What is numerator value? Already we found the numerator value is 1 by 4 by the denominator value is 3 by 4. So cancel 1 by 4, we are getting the answer 1 by 3. So this is the answer of the problem. So next I am going to find out the third one. What is third one? It is modulus x minus 1 less than 5. So P of modulus x minus 1 less than 5. You see the modulus less than 5, this can be written as minus 5 less than x minus 1 less than 5. So the modulus range can be written as negative to positive. So this is the meaning. Actually you can write the formula also. Mod x is less than a implies this modulus less than a means minus a2 plus a. So this is the formula. Mod x is less than a implies minus a2 plus a. Similarly, modulus of this value can be written as minus 5 to plus 5. But I want in between x. But so that I want to cancel minus 1. To cancel minus 1, adding 1 on both sides. Each side I am going to add 1 to cancel this minus 1. Okay. So by adding 1 here, 1 minus 5 is minus 4. Less than adding 1 here, plus 1 minus 1 will be cancelled, only x. Adding 1 here, 1 plus 5 is 6. So this is our new range. So to calculate this value, integral minus 4 to 6 f of x dx. But we know f of x is 1 by 20. So that integral minus 4 to 6 1 by 20 into dx. Take 1 by 20 outside. Integration of dx is x. The limit is minus 4 to plus 6. So now I am going to substitute the limit. Upper limit 6 minus of minus plus 4. So that 1 by 20 into upper limit is 6 minus of minus plus 4. 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. So 10 by 20. Answer is 1 by 2. So this is the answer of the problem. Okay, next I am going to find out, this is expectation of e power minus x by 5. So this is expectation of e power minus x by 5. The formula is integral e power minus x by 5 into f of x into dx. The range it is given minus 5 to 15 from the given problem. Okay, and now integral minus 5 to 15 e power minus x by 5 f of x is given by 1 by 20 into dx. Take 1 by 20 outside, and integration of e power minus x by 5. E power minus x by 5 divided by the coefficient of x is minus 1 by 5. The limit is minus 5 to 15. So this, my 1 by 5 can be taken in numerator. So therefore this is minus 5 by 20 into e power minus x by 5, the limit minus 5 to 15. So that it is 1 by minus 1 by 4. Substituting the upper limit, e power minus 15 by 5 minus e power minus of minus plus 5 by 5. So you simplify minus 1 by 4 into e power minus 3 minus cancel, this is e. So final answer is, the required answer, you can take minus inside, 1 by 4 into e minus e power minus 3. So this is the answer of the problem.